Why the charter bus ran into a ditch on the remarkable Skifield road on Saturday is not yet known. However, the 5 injured passengers have been discharged from hospital, while the driver is reported to have been left traumatised. The Remarkables got 65 centimetres of spring snow over the weekend, and elsewhere in the Lakes District there were also heavy falls of snow. Snow ploughs were out in Fernhill, Queenstown on Saturday morning. The snow didn't settle in Frankton. Conditions at times were pleasant and other times were wet and miserable. Near Arrowtown, the views of Lake Hayes and the Remarkables were obscured by heavy snow on Sunday. And at Coronet Peak, skiers and snowboarders embraced that late snowfall with 30 centimetres added over the weekend and snow continuing to fall today. Despite some snow, the Crown Range remained open throughout the weekend, these tourists making the most of it. More snow is forecast for early next week. Nina Amso, The South Today.